developments that has taken place. Just 2 days after BJP's victory in Bengal, the stage is set and being on the edge after late-night bloodbath that has been reported in Madhyamgram, where Shubhendu Adhikari's PA, or personal assistant, a front-runner, when we speak of the BJP leader, was riddled with bullets by two bike-borne assailants, unidentified, and with an associate traveling with him who was also hit and remains in a critical condition. Sources say a small car that stopped in front of the SUV carrying Chandranath Rath and blocking the road, and the bike-borne attackers then opened fire on Shubhendu's PA. 4 rounds were fired, 3 bullets hit him in the head, in the chest and in the abdomen. Now the car that has been seized, but these are shocking pictures that has been coming in as far as Shubhendu Adhikari himself was there present later in the day, where he seems to be condemning the killing of his close aide. Let's take you through exactly how the sequence of events, the attack unfolded. Now what is being reported, it happened around 9:15 last evening, late at night, when we are looking at the car that was carrying Shubhendu Adhikari's personal assistant, and that was intercepted on the road. So there are visuals as well that are coming of the same, where investigators say that a small car blocked the way moments before armed men then arrived on a motorcycle and started to open fire indiscriminately. What has happened that Shubhendu Adhikari's aide was rushed to a nearby hospital but reportedly died before reaching the medical care. Now, before receiving the medical care, now what is being said that the driver of the vehicle was also shot at. He sustained critical injuries. He's also been shifted to an Apollo hospital for treatment. But that seems to be the developments that has now taken place as far as, when it comes to condemnation too, that has been pouring in on this incident, which is now being termed as post-poll violence. Meanwhile, a chilling eyewitness account has also emerged in the killing of the close aide of the BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari in West Bengal. Speaking exclusively, the eyewitness says that the entire attack unfolded before his eyes, describing the scenes of point-blank firing on the victim's moving car. Now, according to the witness, the assailants overtook the vehicle and opened fire within seconds, triggering panic on the road. And the eyewitness, who was driving right behind the targeted car, says that the attack was swift, it was brutal, and appeared to be carefully executed.
मैं 200 मीटर दूरी में था, मैं भी उनके पीछे पीछे आ रहा था। मतलब उन्होंने मेरा गाड़ी क्रॉस करके आगे आए थे, और जो बाइक जो शूटर है ना, उसका भी गाड़ी मैंने देखा है। ठीक है, नंबर मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया।
अब कहाँ से आ रहे थे?
मैं भी उधर से आ रहा था, उसी रोड से, बैक साइड से ही आ रहा था। अच्छा। ठीक है, यहाँ से 200 मीटर की दूरी में ये घटना हुआ है। मतलब मैं भी कोलकाता से आ रहा था, मैं नोवोटेल के पास एक होटल में था, वहां से कुछ काम था, मैं होके आ रहा था। मतलब मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा सीन मैंने नहीं देखा है लाइफ में कभी। मतलब पहली बार तो हमने पिस्टल नहीं देखा है, गन कभी नहीं देखा है। अच्छा। वो पीछे से ही मैं था, शीशा उतारा नहीं, सीधा आया, एकदम ठाए ठाए गोली चल रही।
बंद था,
शीशा बंद था। मतलब मेरे लाइफ में इस तरह का सीन मैंने नहीं देखा। जैसे फिल्मों में देखे थे, और जो ऐसे शूट आउट वगैरह होता है ना, उस तरह का सीन एकदम सामने देखा हमने प्रत्यक्ष।
Well, let's connect it with Ridhita, because Ridhita, all the late night developments that have now taken place, if you can sum it up for our viewers joining us this morning and talk about this incident, which is now being termed as post-poll violence. Such kind of a brutal incident has taken place.
Well, let me start from the 4th of May. Since the day of counting has ended in West Bengal, the political violence has erupted in our majority. We have been seeing from vandalism to attacks happening on various parties. Each other attacking each other has taken place, but last night was something very brutal and gruesome. The close aide of Shubhendu Adhikari was attached with him since 2021. He was shot dead at a point-blank range here at Madhyamgram. At this point, I'm standing here at Madhyamgram under the jurisdiction of North Chobbish Pargona. This is the Doharia area where he was shot dead yesterday while he was passing through a Scorpio along with his driver. He's also claimed that he is a residential of this area. So while he was moving, there was a car that had come ahead and blocked his way, after which a bike had come, and the bike was boarding about 3 miscreants who were wearing helmet, and this bike had no number plate to be traced. After which we get to understand that they were shot at a point-blank range at this point. Around 5 rounds of bullets was hauled at Chandranath Rath, who was one of the close aides of this person, the Shubhendu Adhikari, who is likely to be the Chief Minister of the state as Bharatiya Janata Party sweeps in Bengal. We are also given an understanding that driver was also critically injured, after which he was taken to one of these hospitals near Kolkata, but Chandranath Raut, while he was taken to the Vivacity Hospital here in Madhumgram, he was declared dead, after which his body was taken to Barashat Medical College. We also get to understand that the DGP Siddhanath, he was here last night. He has taken an account in custody of this incident. All round of forensic has already been taken place, where this car, which had actually blocked the way, the Scorpio, was taken into custody this morning. It has been seized by the police. The body of Chandranath Raut has been taken to Barashat Medical this morning for a forensic examination. However, I show you the visual of of the spot, of the crime spot. You can see how glasses are lying. What heavy deployment of police has happened in this area last night only in itself. Heavy deployment of CAPF has been launched in this area as the top leader brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party, given from Shubhendu Adhikari, Shukanto Majumdar, Kaustubh Bagchi, Arjun Singh. All of these people had to haul to the location to see Chandranath and to get an understanding. The police, the Bharatiya Janata Party has clearly, the top brass has instructed police to take strict action into it. We also see the political blame game where comes to Trinamool Congress have condemned this incident and have said that
I think we'll
the
come to the
CBI
political
should
game later, but in the meantime, let's talk about the sequence of events as Ridhita has been highlighting, because on part of the BJP side, they have been calling it as a targeted killing, as a pre-planned murder. And this has now come across as the BJP is now squarely pinning the blame on the TMC. Chandranath Raut, who had been working with Shubhendu Adhikari for many years, had handled his political coordination and other work. And the PA that was also considered to be part of Shubhendu Adhikari's inner circle. And this is now coming at a time when these late-line developments are concerned. He was killed at very area when it is said to be close to the borders of also with Bangladesh.
दो तीन दिन रेकी करके फुल्ली प्री प्लान्ड मर्डर, पुलिस ने इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू किया, स्टेट का सीनियर पुलिस ऑफिसर आया। हम लोग बहुत पेनफुल हार्ट में जो मर्मांतिक हादसा हुआ, इसका निंदा करने का कोई भाषा हम लोग के पास नहीं है। दिल्ली से हमारी गृह मंत्री से लेकर राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष से लेकर संतोष जी से लेकर सबने जानकारी लिया है। केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर सुकांतो मजूमदार, उन्होंने 4 घंटे तक।
Well, after BJP, meanwhile, has pinned the blame on the TMC, the party, however, has reacted strongly, condemning the killing and denying the allegation that has been leveled on part of the BJP. In a statement issued by the TMC, it has pointed to the incident where 3 of its own workers were also killed recently and has demanded a court-appointed CBI investigation into the killings. Now, this seems to be the very development there, because post-poll violence is something that was being anticipated, what happened back in 2021 and now in 2026. And this is despite what we are looking at, heavy presence and deployment of the central forces, which will remain in the state for at least another 2 months. However, this seems to be the bloodshed that has now been reported with these incidents of violence, and this being one of the biggest ones. What we are now reported as far as the close aide and the personal assistant of Shubhendu Adhikari, who has now been killed. And there are others as well who have been injured in this attack. The TMC coming out with an official statement saying that we strongly condemn the brutal murder of Chandranath Raut in Madhyamgram, and tonight with the killing of 3 other TMC workers in incidents of post-poll violence allegedly carried out by BJP-backed miscreants over the last 3 days, despite the Model Code of Conduct being enforced. And we demand the strongest possible action in this matter, including a court-monitored CBI investigation, so that those who are responsible are identified and brought to justice without delay. Violence and political killings have no place in democracy, and the guilty must be held accountable at the earliest. So putting in the same line, as far as the killing of TMC workers that they are saying has happened at the hand of the BJP workers, and now the killing of Shubhendu Adhikari's close aide.